The White Cement 3 Reimagined. This shoe released on March 11th for a retail price of $210 for the men's and $150 for grade school. So the men's pair will come with a hang tag, but grade school sizes will not come with the hang tag or any special box. Here you go the shoe. You got the all-white midsole, same with the all-white on the back tab, as well as on the eyelids, as you can see. You got the red Jumpman with the hitter red. You got the elephant print. It's looking real close to the OG elephant print that I really like. And since my pair is a grade school, we don't get the Nike on the bottom, we get Jordan. So if you see Jordan on some people's pairs on the bottom, it's because it's a kid's size. The Jordan 3 White Cement originally released in 1988, and the first retro came out in 1994, followed by 2003, 2011, 2013, 2018, and then this year, 2023. So if you like my review, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave comments. Let me know how you guys feel about this release, if you copping or not, if you like the Reimagined theme. And I'll see you guys in the next video.